In India, cricket is a religion. Most of the cricket fans want to know more about their favorite players and their teammates. I have built a neural search application using JinaAI, using which we can search for our favorite players and their teammates. Let me show the quick demo of this application. Quick demo, I am going to use Rohit Sharma's image to search for his teammates who played along with him in this particular tournament. You can see his image here, and I am going to copy the URL. And this is my Jupyter notebook which I am running on Kaggle. So this is the method that I am going to call to find Rohit Sharma's teammates. So here is this URL. I'm just going to replace it with a copied one. So this is the same one. Let's run this one. It's downloaded. So this is the image, and you can see the search results here. Pretty cool, right? So 4 results and in a single image. Similarly, let's try one more example. So I am going to use Chris Morris image this time to search for his teammates. So image URL is equal to this one, and the method that we're going to call get similar images, and pass this image URL and run this one. See here, it got downloaded and we can see his teammates. Pretty amazing, right? Yes, JinaAI is amazing framework using which we can develop neural search applications with just few lines of code. If you want to know more about JinaAI, please check out their documentation. And I will be sharing this Jupyter Notebooks link in the description below. Try to run yourself and get amazed.